And now I would like to introduce myself. My name is Huang, Hoang. This year I am 33 years old, and today I am will be your tour guide and your photographer. And because today I will spend one day with each other into the jungle. So now is the time for you all to introduce yourself. Some information like what your name, where you are from, and why you are choosing tour today. Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. Can you start first to everyone?
I'm Josh. I'm from Alaska, and I like caves.
Thank you. Thank you, Yo.
I'm Grayson. I work in Ohio, so I'm from the U.S., and we're doing caves as part of our trip down south on a motorbike tour.
Thank you.
I am Jacinta from Holland, and I like jungle.
Sure. Thank you.
I'm Salo from Holland, my husband, and we like doing all kind of tours.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Ashish, and I'm from India, and I love caves and environment and nature. That's why I'm here.
Oh, sure. Thank you.
My name is Thủy, and I am 23. And I like going trekking, so this is why I'm here. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm Lee, and this is my first tour, and I go with her.
Okay. Thank you, Lee.
My name is Dung. I'm from Vietnam. I'm 23. Nice to meet you.
I'm from Hanoi, and I like to travel personally.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. So now I will give you all some information about our tour today. Our tour today named Elephant Cave Madaba one day, and total we have 3 destinations. For 1 hour later, we are will explore Elephant Cave, and for today lunchtime we are will swim and eat lunch at Mada Lake, and for today afternoon we are will swim at Cha An Cave. So total will be 3 destinations with 9 km trekking in the jungle. We are now stay at Jungle Boat office, and we will sit inside the same car for 45 minutes. Follow the Ho Chi Minh Trail, go to first start point. After the driver drop us at first start point, my colleague will give you all the gloves and the helmet. After that, we have to steep climbing up to the Elephant Cave. This part is very short distance, but it's very steep. We will take around 15 minutes to go to the Elephant Cave. Because inside Elephant Cave is completely dark, so we need to wear the headlight to go in. And inside also have many mud and bad food also. Then we need to wear the gloves. We will spend 1 hour inside the cave. After we are finished, we go downhill again to first start point and trekking along the Ho Chi Minh Trail for 15 minutes. Go to the second start point. And from the second start point, go to the Mada Lake, take around 1 hour. This way is flat way. And we have to do 2 times stream crossing. First time crossing water up until here, and second time water up until here. Then your shoe and your trousers will be completely wet at this part. Mada Lake in nature, swimming pool with blue water. Our activity at this point will be free swimming and cliff jumping. We have 3 levels to jump: 1.5 meter, 3 meter, and 6 meter. Inside the pool, don't have any sharp rock underneath water. And level depth of this pool is 6 meter to 10 meter deep. So this pool is safe for you all to jump today. After we are finished cliff jumping, our lunch will be served into the jungle with BBQ, pork and chicken. And I will show you all how to make fresh spring roll into the jungle. Yes. After we are finished lunch, we keep moving to the next destination, Cha An Cave. From Mada Lake to Cha An Cave also cut around 1 hour, but this part will be more hard. We need to go uphill, downhill, then flat. 20 minutes uphill, 20 minutes downhill, then the rest is flat. And we need to do more rock climbing also. Cha An Cave is a wet cave, still have the river running. To explore the cave, we have to swim to go in. Total swimming 600 meters, 300 meters go in, 300 meters go out, go in and go out, same way. At beginning of the cave have many sharp rocks, so we need to go in with the helmet, the shoe, glove, even though with the life vest, because the water inside is very deep, 3 to 5 meters. We will spend 1 hour inside the cave. After we are finished, we will go back to the camping site this side and drink some coffee. And from the Cha An Cave to the main road only 15 minutes and flat. So today our car will be waiting us at any point around 5 p.m. So anyone need to go back early today? Bọn em Phương là So at the Mother Lake and Cha'an Cave, we have the camping site. When you are swimming, all your stuff will put at the camping site. And my colleague will stay nearby to take care. So you all no need to worry about all your stuff. And we also have composting toilet with the toilet paper and hand sanitizer at this two area. So you all no need to worry where to go toilet also. And during checking, if anyone want to go toilet, please let me know. I will show you all the safe place to go. We have to watch out for the furry poison ivy. You all know poison ivy? Okay, poison ivy is the kind of the plant with the big leaf. So at the upside and the bottom, upside is nothing, but at the bottom have many small heads. So if the leaf touch on your skin will be burned or itchy. 3 days to 7 days, at least 3 days. But for the poison ivy, I will go first and I will show you all where the poison ivy and how the poison ivy look like. So you all can avoid the poison ivy. The next is spiky tree. Spiky tree is a tree that many spiky. For the spiky tree, we provide you all the club. When you all go uphill, downhill, grab at any tree, you all have to check before you all grab. Even though with the thick club, the spiky tree still can go through. That is sharp rock. And the last is lichens. You all know lichens, right? Okay. Lichens is a small kind of sucking worm. It usually live on the ground and wet lake. It will feel your temperature, climb on your body, find your vent, then suck your blood. And for the lichens, I recommend you all to wear the long sock and the long trouser. And you all put the trouser inside the sock. Then the lichen cannot go inside your body. And if you found any lichen on your side, you all can use the mosquito repellent. You spray on the lichen and it will be die after 10 to 20 seconds. And for this kind of lichen, it's only shock blood, no transfer any disease. Yes. So that is all information about our tour today. Okay. So we need to sit inside the car for 45 minutes. You all have 10 minutes to go to toilet before we start. Thank you all for listening. Còn em có em nói lại nữa. Fought by US. So there was the DMZ, no at borderline at the 17th parallel. So no at the borderline. So because the North government they want to reunify the whole country, that's why they start the warfare. They send the war equipment and community troops from the north to the south to join the battlefield at the south. That's why they need to create one trail named Ho Chi Minh Trail. So this is the Ho Chi Minh Trail. This trail start at the Hanoi, come to Phong Nha, and from the Phong Nha go to Laos, Cambodia to go around the DMZ, to go around the borderline. After that, back to the south at the Da Lat city. You all know the Da Lat city, right? So in order to move from the north to the south, the North Vietnamese soldier need to walk into the jungle for 5 months with the heavy backpack, 30 kilograms to 50 kilograms. Yes, and because not enough nutrition, clean water, food, additional malaria, landmine, bomb, many of them die on the way. 70% of them die on the way. Only 30% can success move from the north to the south. And because the Ho Chi Minh Trail and the Elephant Cave is very near, only 15 minutes steep up only. So last time the North Vietnamese soldier used the Elephant Cave as the shelter. So later inside the cave, I will show you all some evidence left by North Vietnamese soldier.
Wow.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Bọn em có nên nói lại với cái đường. Okay, we go. Mấy đi xuống xong mới chuẩn bị leo đảng ấy, chuẩn bị leo dốc ấy. Bọn em đeo găng tay vào.
này cần đi vào quay luôn.
Is the video?
Yeah.
After you photo YouTube?
Yes.
Okay, sure.
Only started a new channel only 2 months ago.
Yes, okay. Okay, this stop for a while. Cơ liệt, sắp tới rồi. Ow. Okay, everyone, we stop for maybe 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, drink some water. Ngồi nghỉ 2 phút chứ, mày em ơi. Nghỉ 2 phút uống siêu nước rồi chứ. Nếu mà nóng quá thì mình cởi cái áo ngoài luôn này. Mau cọc thôi cho mát. hả? Mình nghỉ một xíu rồi mình đi tiếp nha. Đi tiếp à? Okay, everyone, we keep moving, Ken. Yeah. One minute more only.
वाह, बहुत ही गजब की ट्रैकिंग है। थक चुके हैं बट फिर भी चले जा रहे हैं। वाह, ये क्या नज़ारा है। वाह, इतनी चढ़ाई करने के बाद थक से गए। मैं तो पहुंच गया हूँ, फिर भी अभी बहुत सारे लोग आ रहे हैं अभी पीछे पीछे। बड़े बड़े पत्थर हैं गाइस, संभल के चलना पड़ेगा। यहाँ पे बहुत सारे पेड़ ऐसे हैं जो छूने पे, बी केयरफुल। आराम से। इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद। दिस इज स्लिपरी, ओके? बी केयरफुल देखना। और इतनी मेहनत करने का जब हम ऊपर आते हैं।
Okay, you go up there for picture.
हाँ। Yeah.
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay.
थैंक यू। ओह, तो ये रहा जिसके लिए हमने इतनी मेहनत करी है। वाओ, ये केव बहुत ही शानदार, बहुत ही शानदार केव। So this helmet is slippery. You have to follow. Easy, 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 easy. You have this helmet. अब हमें नीचे जाना है, नीचे जाने के लिए वापस से तैयारी। बहुत ही आराम से चलना है, आराम से, हल्की से जल्दबाजी की है, पैर फिसला और हम सीधे नीचे चले आएंगे, सीधे गिर जाएंगे, इसीलिए बहुत ही आराम से चलना है, एक बार में एक कदम। बहुत ही आराम से। ये लोग एक्सपर्ट हैं जो हमारे साथ आए हैं, इसीलिए इनको जाने देते हैं। अपन 30 मार खा नहीं बनेंगे, अपन धीरे धीरे ही चलेंगे, क्योंकि ये जो हमारे साथ ट्रैकिंग गाइड पे आए हैं, इनको ये तो आते रहते हैं, इसलिए इनको पूरा पता है कि रास्ता कैसा है, इसलिए ये लोग जल्दी जल्दी चले आ रहे हैं। बट वी आर न्यू, इसलिए हम रिस्क नहीं लेंगे, धीरे धीरे चलेंगे। पूरा पसीने से तरबतर होता जा रहे हैं, बट फिर भी इतनी दूर आने के बाद, इतनी खतरनाक ट्रैकिंग करने के बाद अगर नज़ारा ये हो ओ भाई साहब।
You did camp at the shelter, so did all thing is left by North Vietnamese soldier. And for the north side, they have support from the Chinese. So you all can see this side got some Chinese writing. Last time the customer from the Taiwan come here, then I asked him what all this work beneath. So he told me this is name one city of the China. And for this one, this sandal it look like with my one, but this one a little bit different. This one for the lady. Yeah. And how I know this all thing is from North Vietnamese soldier? You all can see this bottle at the middle have one star. It look like with the Vietnam flag. Also one yellow star, and the background is red color. So people explain why the yellow star, why the star is yellow color. Because like for the Vietnam people, we have the yellow skin. That's why the star is yellow. And for the red color, so red color is the color of the blood. So it means we have to exchange for the freedom and independence with the blood. Yeah. And for this one, it look in the army shoe. Yeah. And for this one, this sandal also, but this one made from the truck tire.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. Everyone, come here, please. So now I will explain with you all why this cave named Elephant Cave. You all can stay on top here, please. This cave named Elephant Cave not because last time have the real elephant stay inside here, or because it's very big, but the rock inside here, some rock the shape look like elephant. You all can look inside my phone. Yeah, you all can look inside my phone. It look elephant. So is that one.
Yeah.
At the middle. Yeah. The head, the eye, and the trunk. Yes. Under Phong Nha National Park, 400 caves have been found. So all the caves were river running. Yeah. Okay, we turn on your light. We go. Okay, you all okay? We go in. Hang này hẳn là voi, còn voi là vì hình là giống con voi. Rồi khu vực Phong Nha như là có 300-400 hang động, nhưng mà chỉ khoảng tầm
हम चल रहे हैं आगे। वहाँ पे हमने ब्रेक लिया था,
quá tốt.
ब्रेक में हमने बिस्कुट खाए और एक बनाना, और अब हम जा रहे हैं केव के अंदर। बहुत ही खतरनाक केव है ये। बहुत ही मैन वर्सेस वाइल्ड वाली फीलिंग आ रही है। मैं बचपन में उसको बहुत देखता था और आज रियल में वैसे ही हो रहा है, सो आई कैन रिलेट। ब्रेक अभी अभी लिए हैं, बस स्टिल इतने ज़्यादा थक गए हैं। हमारे साथी धीरे धीरे आगे आ रहे हैं। अब इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो सकती है, बहुत सारे एनिमल्स, इंसेक्ट्स सब मिल सकते हैं। ऊपर पूरा अंधेरा अंधेरा दिख रहा है। ये एलिफेंट है, दिख नहीं रहा है बट ये है।
Everyone, please look to the wall of the cave. You all can see many colors of cave formation. All the color determined by the mineral content inside. For the green color come out from copper oxide. For the white color come out from calcium carbonate.
इनके बारे में
For the
बताया
red
जा रहा
color
है।
come out from iron oxide. For the yellow color come out from sulfur. For the black color come out from manganese. For the brown color come out from mud or dirt. Sometimes green and yellow come out from moss or bacteria. Thì màu đỏ là từ đông, màu đỏ là từ sắt, màu xanh là từ đông, màu vàng là từ lưu huỳnh, màu trắng là từ đá vôi, màu đen là từ mangan, màu nâu là từ bùn. Đôi khi là màu xanh và màu vàng là từ rượu. Màu đâu? Okay. We keep moving, please.
हमारे गाइड सर ने बताया कि यहाँ पे जो स्टोन्स हैं इसमें बहुत सारे अलग अलग कलर के मिनरल्स हैं, रेड, ब्लू, ग्रीन, मैग्नीज, बहुत सारे क्या क्या। अब हम चल रहे हैं आगे। बहुत ही संभल के चलना पड़ेगा क्योंकि बहुत सारे पत्थर यहाँ पे स्लिपरी हैं। अगर हल्का सा भी गलत कदम पड़ा तो चोट लग सकती है, और वो भी बहुत गहरी चोट, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे शार्प पत्थर हैं। संभल के चलना पड़ेगा। क्या नज़ारा है।
At the left side, we have one room we call dark room. Go down here, turn around maybe one hour more. But for one day we not enough time, so we no go down this side. Okay, we go this way. That side for the tour.
अभी जो केव दिखाया गया था वो उसमें भी जाते हैं, लेकिन उसमें पूरा 2 दिन का अगर आप टूर लोगे तो ही उसमें जाएंगे, क्योंकि उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा समय लगेगा। हमने वो टूर लिया नहीं है, हमने सिर्फ 1 डे का लिया है, इसलिए हम उस केव के अंदर नहीं जा रहे हैं, हम आगे जा रहे हैं। नीचे गिरे गए, लेकिन बाय गॉड ग्रेस कुछ नहीं होगा, बिकॉज गॉड इज विथ मी। संभल के चलो, फूक फूक के कदम रखो। जहाँ जहाँ हमारे गाइड, ओहो, गुफा से निकलने के बाद ये कुछ रोशनी दिख रही है सामने से, लगता है हमारा वहीं से बाहर निकलने का रास्ता है। ये रहा। मुझे नहीं पता इस वीडियो में आपको चमगादड़ की आवाज़ आ रही है कि नहीं, लेकिन बहुत ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे बहुत सारे चमगादड़ आसपास हैं। खूब ज़ोर से आवाज़ आ रही है इधर पे। ये ऊपर क्योंकि पूरा ब्लैक ब्लैक दिख रहा है, इसलिए मैं इसमें दिखा नहीं सकता, अदरवाइज़ चमगादड़ की आवाज़ आ रही है। हमारे साथी धीरे धीरे करके नीचे आ रहे हैं और मैं इनकी हिम्मत को भी जवाब देता हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत ही ज़्यादा खतरनाक रास्ता है। बिना हिम्मत हारे एक एक करके आगे आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि रास्ता बहुत ज़्यादा खतरनाक है, ऊंचे नीचे पत्थर है। चमगादड़ हो या फिर चिड़िया हो या फिर कोई कीड़ा हो, बहुत ज़ोर से आवाज़ आ रही है। डर भी लग रहा है, लेकिन इतने सारे लोग हैं, ये खूब सारे हैं, ये आ रहे हैं धीरे धीरे।
Chui ở anh.
ओ भाई, मुझे देख सकते हैं आप, इतनी पतली सी गुफा है, इतनी पतली सी जगह में हमें निकलना पड़ेगा। अच्छा हुआ मैं बेयर ग्रिल्स देख देख के बड़ा हुआ हूँ, इसलिए ये सब मैंने देखा हुआ है, और मैं खुद को लकी मानता हूँ कि ये सब करने का मुझे मौका मिल रहा है। ओ भाई, इतना पतला सा रास्ता से निकलने के बाद अगर आपको ये देखने को मिलता है, हो जस्ट वाओ, ये क्या नज़ारा है। सब एक एक करके वो जो है वो खड़ा है कोई, वहीं से सब निकल रहे हैं धीरे धीरे, और निकलने के बाद ये रास्ता कुछ अलग ही है।